Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to dive into a beautiful and inspiring poem called Courage, Courage, Courage. This poem teaches us about the true meaning of courage. Not just being brave in big moments, but also staying strong in our daily struggles no matter how small. It reminds us that courage is what helps us face life's challenges with hope, faith, and determination. We'll go through this poem stanza by stanza to understand its message and the emotions behind each and every line. So stay till the end to get full meaning and moral of this poem. In first stanza, the poet talks about the tough times we all face in our life. There are days when everything feels difficult, when no matter how hard we try, things just don't go our way. We might feel tired, disappointed, or even ready to give up. But the poet encourages us not to lose hope. Instead, we should call on our courage, meaning we should gather all our inner strength and keep going until we overcome the challenges. The message is simple. When life gets hard, don't stop trying. Face it bravely and see it through. In second stanza, the poet reminds us that courage isn't just about winning. It's also how we handle the defeat. Everyone faces misfortune, failure, or at some point and that's the part of our life. True strength lies in accepting losses with the same grace as we accept the victories. The poet advises us not to give complaint or give up when things go wrong. Instead, we should smile if we can, stay positive, and move forward. Even if we don't succeed, we shouldn't lose our dignity or self respect. What really matters is fighting bravely and keeping your spirit strong no matter what's the result. In this third stanza, the poet tells us that the dark and stormy days come to everyone. There will be times when our dreams break down, our hopes seem to crumble, but instead of losing hope, the poet asks us to face whatever comes our way with courage. Life is a mixture of both happiness and hardship. We must learn to accept the bitter moments just as we enjoy the sweet ones. The real test of courage, the poet says, is how we respond when everything goes wrong. It's easy to be brave when things are fine, but true courage shows itself when we stand firm during tough times. Here is the explanation of fourth stanza. The poet says that no amount of complaining, cursing, or regretting can change a difficult situation. We may cry or feel helpless, but in the end, we still have to face what life brings. The poet praises those who fight bravely even when they know they might not win, because such people thought they might struggle and suffer, gain invisible victories like strength, wisdom, and inner peace that are worth more than success itself. In the final stanza, the poet gives a hopeful message that he says we should accept every setback or failure as a part of God's plan. These challenges are meant to break us but not shape us, to build our character and make us stronger, wiser, and more human. Every difficulty we face helps us create a man. Meaning is it helps us grow into a better and brave person. So here is the explanation of each and every stanza clearly. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.